Okay, so today we are discussing about what is True Tone. So, True Tone is a facility given by uh, iOS newer version, so that you can dim the lights and increase the lights, automatically for reducing the eye strain. So, when you go to settings and you go to display and brightness, you'll see a function called True Tone. So that means you can automatically adapt display based on the light condition. That if you are on too much brightness, it will be automatically warm light, and if you are in like darkness, it will automatically change into the brighter screen. So for that, you need to have this True Tone enabled. But the thing is, when you replace the screen on iPhones, if you put the aftermarket screen on this one, then the accessibility on True Tone will be gone. So you won't have any accessibility on True Tone. For example, I saw you a video on a computer, on a Access Max, where the screen has been replaced with an aftermarket screen. Okay, this one is the iPhone XS Max, where the screen has already been replaced with the aftermarket one. So if you go to the settings and then go to display and brightness, you won't be able to see the True Tone feature on this one, because this screen has not been recognized by the iPhone as the OEM screen. That's why the True Tone functionality is not there. So in order to go through this problem, in order to solve this problem, all you gotta do is we need to program the aftermarket LCD with the original LCD serial number. Okay, for doing that, what you need to do is we need to have a device like this one. So all you gotta do is provide a power supply from the USB port, and then you can connect it to the computer to the USB and do other things, such as programming the ROM on the iPhones, or things like other things. There are so many things you can do with this device. But for now, I'm just trying to show you how to copy the serial number from the original to the aftermarket one, so that even the aftermarket one will work on even the aftermarket one will have the True Tone on functionality features. So for doing that, first you need to select your LCD data programmer, select over here, and then it says connect LCM or vibrator. So what we are doing is we are just connecting the original screen from whose we are going to copy the serial number. So connect these are like, this one is touch one. If you have touch issue, you just need to copy the touch functionality serial number, and for now we are just copying the LCD one. So just connect it to the connector. Okay. Okay, as soon as we connect this one, it will give all the details like iPhone 80 Plus, LCM, all those LCD serial number over here. So what you need to do is we just need to click on read data. Okay, it says success. Okay, so now we have to take the original screen out, and then we have to put the aftermarket screen, which we are going to replace, and then connect it back. Connected, then we can read this one isn't connected. You need to have a really good quality screen to be able to write the serial number. So you could find one that's exactly the super great quality one. So I'll just plug it in, because the white one that I have was not the good quality one, I mean super quality one. So we just put so we can write the LCD serial number on that one. So I'll just get another one and just plug it here. Okay, it says connected. So we already read the data on this one, so all we have to do is write data. Click over here, just write data. It's a success. And now you can just take this screen and put it on your iPhone, and it will have the True Tone functionality feature. Thanks for watching.